Where are you now? Why did you go? Give me a reason for leaving, the reason your heart turned to stone. Now it's so cold. You saw me standing with tears in my eyes, and then you turned out the lights.
I know we never really met each other, but you helped me out so much I felt I had to write this letter. You might not know it when you're making them beats, but every lyric has syllables like you're speaking to me. 'Cause where I'm from, they don't encourage a kid with a dream, and every time I have an idea that I believe in, it gets stopped and squashed, and then I feel lost, like I wanna go dig a hole, feeling so low. Don't get me wrong, I believe, but get real mad. Sometimes it's difficult to achieve when people don't believe that. I'm not complaining, but it's hard to go after my goals when the people I need most just leave. They told my teacher told me that I'll never amount to anything, but I wrote a chorus for you to sing. I know it's probably not good enough, not even close, but it's how I feel most, so it goes.
Where are you now? And why did you go? Give me a reason for leaving, the reason your heart turned to stone. Now it's so cold, and you saw me standing with tears in my eyes, and then you turned out the lights. Lights, you turned out the lights. Lights, why'd you turn out the lights?
Every day is a new struggle, and every situation is a moment where a choice can bring new trouble. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna bust like a bubble. Here's what I've been through, now let me inspire you. I hope you never have to feel what it's like to feel lost, the cost, and not a friend in sight. Despite your best efforts when you can't fight back, when you love someone but they don't love you back. Matt, remember us and the lyrics when you write that. With kids that don't have it all within an arm's grasp. Can we dream too, or is it fantasy? I need a place where I fit in the family. So I'ma choose to believe despite all of these words that sting, all of these hurtful things. With these few words I sing, just keep it real on the mic, B. You got a friend for life.
Where are you now? And why did you go? Give me a reason for leaving, the reason your heart turned to stone. Now it's so cold, and you saw me standing with tears in my eyes, and then you turned out the lights. Lights, you turned out the lights. Lights, why'd you turn out the lights?
No return, there ain't no coming back. When it comes to love, you never know how to react. Gotta keep your head up, you can't live in the past. I know you feel bad, but it goes in a flash. Here's the point of no return, there ain't no coming back.